Hey guys, I'm Jeff and welcome to my garage. Let me show you around. So this is our project truck. It's a 1992 Chevy S10. This was originally a 2.8 V6 with a T5 5-speed, and we brought this home for $700, drove it home, and proceeded to put about 1,000 miles on it before we started tearing it down. So what we've been doing up to this point is all new brakes, calipers, front suspension parts, a Beltec 2-inch drop. Been doing some paint up here, paint work. It's going to be a Champion Cooling Systems radiator. It's going to live right there. Got a 5.3 LS from my buddy Chris Light at Lightning Rods. We'll be doing a T56 Tremec 6-speed. This transmission is a first generation CTS-V, Cadillac CTS-V T56. This transmission probably has about 10,000 miles, best I can guess. Long story, I can share that once we get into the transmission part of it, but there's no shifter on it at all. If you're familiar with these. So these would have originally had a remote shifter that bolted here, had a rail or a link come out the back, and the shifter would have mounted to the body back here. So you had a remote shifter. So this is just a cover plate, just so I can get it home. And the shifter is going to be the Silver Sport Transmissions STX shifter. It's going to mount right here. Should be pretty close to the factory T5 shift position. And we've got a Street Freaks Ford 8.8 axle coming. Going to be installing that soon. Fuel system. In a full Phytech EFI system. Fuel cell all the way forward. Doing a Phytech there. Got some cleanup work to do and so forth on the engine. Got to do some paint work, resealing, new gaskets here and there. So got that stuff here. And I've got a muscle car swap oil pan that came from Ohio Speed Shops. My buddy Chuck Fitch there. All right, so that's it. We've got most of the work done under here. Did some more painting tonight. The interior, still got some work to do the interior. That's it, guys. Hope you enjoy. It's our beer fridge over here. I'm sure you guys have a beer fridge. All right, man. Stay tuned, and we'll post more videos soon.